Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today we will derive some results for double angle of sine, cosine, and tangent functions. Let us first find how sine 2x is equal to twice sine x cos x. We can write sine 2x as sine of x plus x, that is sine 2x. Now we know that sine x plus y is sine x cos y plus cos x sine y. So we use the formula here. We get sine x cos x. Instead of y we have x here, so we write cos x plus cos x sine x. Now that is equal to sine x cos x sine x cos x. So we have 2 times sine x cos x. Therefore, sine 2x is equal to twice sine x cos x. Now we will prove that cos of 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x. This is also equal to twice cos square x minus 1. We can also write it as 1 minus twice sine square x. Now we can write cosine of 2x as cosine of x plus x. Now we know that cosine of x plus y is cosine of x cosine of y minus sine of x sine of y. Instead of y here we have x, so we can write cosine of x cosine of x minus sine of x sine of x. That is further equal to, this is cosine square x minus, this is sine x into sine x, that is sine square x sine square x. Now thus we get cos of 2x equal to cosine square x minus sine square x. Now we can write this cosine of 2x in terms of cosine only. For that, we can write cosine square x minus, now here sine square x, we can convert this sine square x into 1 minus cosine square x, because we know that sine square x is 1 minus cosine square x. So that is equal to cosine square x minus 1 plus cosine square x, that is equal to cosine square x plus cosine square x, that is twice cosine square x minus 1, that is one more result. We can also convert this cosine of 2x in terms of sine only. For that, we take this equation, cosine of 2x is equal to cosine square x minus sine square x. Now, instead of this cosine square x, we can write 1 minus sine square x, because we know that cosine square x is equal to 1 minus sine square x. Then we have minus sine square x, which is further equal to, it is 1 minus sine square x minus sine square x. That is further equal to 1 minus sine square x minus sine square x. So it is minus sine square x minus sine square x. So we get minus twice sine square x. That is one more result. Thus we can write cosine 2x in terms of cosine and sine. That is cosine square x minus sine square x. We can write cosine 2x in terms of cosine x only. That's twice cosine square x minus 1. We can write cosine 2x in terms of sine x only. That is 1 minus twice sine square x. Now we will prove that tangent of 2x is equal to twice tangent of x divided by 1 minus tangent square x. Let us prove it. Here we can write tan of 2x as tan of x plus x. Now we know that tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. Instead of y here we have x. So we can write tan of x plus tan of x divided by 1 minus tan of x tan of x. So that is equal to tan x plus tan x, that's twice tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x, that is tan square x. That proves the result for tan of 2x. Now we will write sine of 2x in terms of tangent of x. That is, sine of 2x is equal to twice tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. We know that sine of 2x is equal to twice sine x cos x. That is equal to twice sine x cos x divided by 1, or twice sine x cos x divided by sine square x plus cos square x, because sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. We get twice sine x cos x divided by cos square x whole divided by sine square x plus cos square x divided by cos square x. That is equal to cos x by cos x. That is 1. Sin x by cos x is tan x. So you get twice tan x. Sin square x by cos square x is tan square x. Plus cos square x by cos square x is 1. So we get sine of 2x equal to twice tan x divided by tan square x plus 1, or we can write it like it is twice tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Thus sine of 2x is equal to twice tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now we will write cosine of 2x in terms of tangent of x. That is, cosine 2x is equal to 1 minus tangent square x divided by 1 plus tangent square x. We know that cos of 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, or we can write cos square x minus sin square x divided by 1, or it is cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x plus sin square x, because we know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1, which is further equal to. Now we have to convert this in terms of tan. For that we will divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. So we get cos square x minus sin square x divided by cos square x whole divided by cos square x plus sin square x divided by cos square x, which is equal to cos square x by cos square x, that is 1, minus sin square x by cos square x, that's tan square x. Tan square x divided by cos square x by cos square x, that is 1, plus sin square x by cos square x, that's tan square x. It's tan square x. Thus cos of 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Now in my next lecture we will do some questions on what we have learned so far. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.